Just in from the National Hurricane Center, 5 a.m. advisory out, still moving westbound 17 miles per hour, which is still fairly fast. Winds still sustained at 50 miles per hour, but eventually we'll continue to see this storm strengthen into a hurricane and then from there becoming a major hurricane by the weekend and then making that quick turn just due east of the Bahamas. But there could still be some, impacts towards the Caribbean islands. We're talking rain, rip currents, some of the outer bands and tropical storm force winds. For us here in Florida, we're not expecting any direct impacts from Erin, but we do have high pressure dominating our weather off to our east, keeping things very nice and quiet, especially for this early morning. I am though watching just a few spotty showers between the Bahamas and between South Florida. And whenever we do have an onshore wind to start you off in the morning, we can't rule out a stray shower or two near the coast, but better chance to see rain developing mainly inland later today. Out the door temperatures upper 70s, Port St. Lucie at 79, Okeechobee in the 80s, low 80s to upper 70s throughout the Palm Beaches. A warm start for West Palm to Palm Beach at 81 degrees. Hour by hour forecast, watch how these numbers climb quickly from the 80s into the 90s, feeling like the triple digits with just a few storms developing along the sea breeze for those peak afternoon hours. Yeah.